everybody. We are here in the airplane, in the air. We're going to San Juan, Puerto Rico. We're here, yes. Going. Yes, everybody, we are here. We are almost done. I will pass you a woman when come for Puerto Rico. Hola amigos, how are you? We are almost done in Puerto Rico. Oh, damn it, what is that? Oh, they're talking on. Whoa. Oh, I almost done. Alright, I almost done. Bueno, nosotros vamos para Puerto Rico. Entonces, nosotros tenemos el aeropuerto que está en San Juan. Y van a las filas y pueden salir. El taxi es 177-5441. Y van por ahí. Muy bien. Te paso otra vez a mis amigos de aquí al lado. Well, you all know that you have that monster. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Leave us now, and we shall pick up the pieces, nothing from our mistakes.
Well, thank you everybody for my video. Thanks.